Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. In this IPVanish VPN review, we'll dive deep into its features, performance, and ideal user base. Interested in trying it out? Find product links in the description below. IPVanish is a recognized player in the VPN arena, offering a robust blend of privacy and performance that appeals to a broad spectrum of users. Let's start by examining its core functionalities. IPVanish secures your internet connection with robust AES-256 encryption, the industry gold standard. This safeguards your online traffic from prying eyes, whether they be hackers, internet service providers, or other third-party snoopers. Crucially, IPVanish adheres to a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't retain records of your online activity. Furthermore, IPVanish boasts a vast network of servers spanning over 50 countries, ensuring comprehensive global coverage and the high speeds necessary for smooth streaming, lag-free gaming, and seamless browsing. A key differentiator for IPVanish is its unlimited simultaneous device connections. Unlike many VPN providers that restrict the number of devices you can protect, IPVanish allows you to connect as many devices as needed. This makes it a perfect solution for families or individuals juggling multiple laptops, smartphones, tablets, and other connected devices. IPVanish also incorporates advanced features like split tunneling, which allows you to selectively route traffic through the VPN, and an automatic kill switch, which protects your data in the event of a VPN connection drop. Regarding performance, IPVanish delivers impressive speeds, making it a strong contender for high-definition streaming, online gaming, and downloading large files. It seamlessly integrates with popular streaming services like Netflix and others, effortlessly bypassing geographical restrictions. IPVanish is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable VPN with robust security features, rapid speeds, and the flexibility to connect numerous devices simultaneously. Whether you're a casual internet user, a dedicated streamer, or a digital security enthusiast, IPVanish offers exceptional value for protecting your privacy and enhancing your browsing experience. Be sure to click the links in the description for more information and to secure your IPVanish subscription.